We have never opened a Cutito on the Auntie and Niece show. There's so many. Somebody said mini brands. This one is cool.
A little snail.
Hey, can I have that one?
He's cute.
Oh, that one is cute. They have so many, like literally. Look, there's some over there too.
A star.
Look, a squid.
That's a little crabby.
Guys, look how many poppets they have. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they have some over here. Wow, these ones have letters. And they have tattoos. Look at this one. I have all of these. Okay, another poppet. Yeah, they don't have mini brands at all. Literally. What is this? An ASMR bar. What is this? ASMR pod. They have the fidget spinner and the fidget cube. They don't have many brands though. They have world's smallest. But mini brands would be right here, and they don't have any unless they are scattered. We found a case though that's somewhat open. They have a lot of these, look. A lot of these. There's like a lot of people down here. It's crowded. Oh, look. Found a profit. These are cool. Guys, comment down below if you guys want us to unbox one of these. We have more. Oh, I found a mini brand, but it's a toy mini brand. Right here. Found this. Oh, that's open. There's a squishy. Here go the mini brand boxes. So we're gonna put this one back. Somebody try to open this one. And they have a full box in the back. Adorables. Here go my favorite toy. Guys, look at all the QT-toes. Comment down below if you guys want us to open a QT-toe. We have never opened a QT-toe on the Auntie and Nee show. Comment down below if you would like to see it. These are so cute. Another mini brand. Oh, this is in the series 3. I mean the series 2 toys. They don't have any real littles. What is on my hand? Ew, there's some of the slime. They have all of those. Rainbow High. And like the LOL dolls are down there. They kind of have the same toys here, so nothing really new except what I showed you guys. So now we're headed to Costco, so I'm going to show you their toys there, and we'll see you over there. Guys, they have Squishmallows. Oh, this one's cute. It's so fluffy. Oh, look at the puppy. His name is Prince. Ma, they're $14.80.
Oh, really? You got me in there?
You might be in the video. Oh, Ma, look, I found Antonio. Remember I wanted him for the longest? Antonio, I meant. That's pretty much it. This one is really cute. This is Avery. This is Paco. Guys, guys, come to Walmart. They're $14.80 for, I think these are 16-inch Squishmallows. I'm not sure. But yeah, come check out Walmart.